In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the current date and time in Google Sheets. Whether you're doing financial tracking, project management, or simply trying to keep your sheet updated, knowing how to automatically insert the current date and time is a valuable skill. Let's walk through the process together. Start by opening up a Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to sheets.google.com and creating a new sheet if you don't already have one open. Google Sheets is a versatile tool that offers a myriad of functionalities, and today we'll explore one of its useful features. Once your sheet is open, you'll need to decide where you want the current date and time to appear. Click on a cell where you want to apply the formula. This will be the spot where the current date and time will be automatically updated. If you're managing a large amount of data, placing this in a header row might be beneficial, but feel free to choose any location that suits your needs. With your desired cell selected, type in the formula. To do this, simply enter the equal sign followed by the word now, then open and close parentheses. It should look something like this: equals now, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. This is Google Sheets' built-in function to retrieve the current date and time whenever the sheet recalculates. It's a dynamic formula, meaning that it updates in real time. Google Sheets performs recalculations automatically at regular intervals and with any changes you make, so this function will keep your data current without manual intervention. After you've entered the formula, hit the Enter key. You should instantly see the current date and time populate in the cell you selected. The format displayed will include both the date and a 24-hour time, which is typically sufficient for most tracking and logging needs. If the format doesn't immediately appear the way you need, you can adjust the cell's formatting under Format in the top menu, selecting Number and then Date or Time as required. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've learned how to insert a self-updating date and time in Google Sheets. This method is particularly useful for anyone managing time-sensitive data or needing to capture when specific inputs were made. Keep practicing, and you'll be able to incorporate this and many other functions effortlessly into your spreadsheets. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks on working with digital tools. Have a great day.